Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a Facebook business page. So simply at first open your Facebook. So as you can see, this is my Facebook page dashboard, and follow the left side showing you to see more option. Click on, scroll down, then you get pages option. Click on, then you get this interface. Click on to create page. You just enter the page name and select the category, like select digital creator, or if you want to add your business category, and you just select your business category, press on create page. Okay, then you get this option, contact, email address, city, zip, and you just fill up all, and you just fill up this form and just press next. Add your profile picture and cover photo, action button. Okay, press on next. Add your phone number. Now I'm at this phone number. Sometime late, press on to escape. Click on to invite friend. Press on send invite. Okay, and press on next. And our setup, press on done. Okay, now successfully create a page.